Hello, welcome back to the course. In this video, we will implement our last and a little bit tricky scanner, that is nutritional label scanner. Basically, in this scanner, we will implement OCR using Flutter Mobile Vision package. You have to install it in pubspec.yaml file like this, and from the output of the OCR we have to somehow retrieve the useful nutritional info such as calories, fat, protein, etc. Let's see the code of it. Create a helpers folder in a lib folder and create a helper function file like this inside helpers folder and open it. Create a class named helper functions in which you write different methods for different functionalities. In this class, create a method named read like this. In this function, write this following code for Flutter Mobile Vision. It will open the back camera of mobile, and this camera will be used for scanning the nutritional levels of the products, and this code will be the output of scanned characters using OCR. This output will be stored in the variable name words. Let me explain you how I write the regex for the calories. Let's start with the real nutritional label. When OCR scans the label, it gives a string in which all the characters of this label will be included in the same order as in the label. So our task is to retrieve the total calories from that resultant string, right? As you can see in the label here, the calories mentioned and the value of the calories is mentioned just after the calorie keyword, right? So best way to retrieve calories or other information is using regex. Since we are using regex, so we need to find the patterns, right? So by closely analyzing this label, you can see that if I want the calorie data, which is 230, which is followed by the string calories with a space, okay, so we can see a pattern like this: nutritional title, space, and the nutritional value or data. In our case it is 230. I hope you have understand the pattern and the logic. So by considering the pattern, I have written the regex. Let's back to the VS Code. So according to our regex, I have written this regex. If you don't know how to write regex, you can check out this website, that is regexr.com, where you learn regex. It also provides cheat sheets for a quick revision. Let's back to the VS Code. Here is your task to write the regex for protein, fat, and carbohydrate. After that, I have created a map named NutriMap, which is empty. In this map, we will store the nutritional data as key value pair, as you can see in the comment. As you remember, our OCR's output is stored in the words variable here. So now we just need to filter our required data and add them into NutriMap. For example, let's take this condition to filter protein. Okay, if data contains protein keyword and also matches with the regex with pattern, then find the index of a protein keyword and add it to the NutriMap. Follow the same conditions with other nutritional data till here. Okay, as of now everything is fine, but there may be a case where our OCR can recognize this mg as m9 because this g is looks similar to the 9, or maybe this 0 can be recognized as O. This issue may reduce its accuracy. To handle this issue, what we can do? It is our task. To improve the accuracy, we can write separate conditions for each nutrition. As you can see, I wrote this code: if map contains mg or M9, replace O with 0. Do the same for protein and fat also. You can also consider some other conditions where our accuracy may be reduced. So take all the conditions as I written here. After doing all these changes, you can either print them in the console to verify or display this data on a dedicated screen like we have done in previous video. Here you can see I have navigated to the another screen to display the data. It is your task to create such a screen to display the data. You can also display a snack bar like this I have displayed here. This snack bar will show the error message if something gone wrong using try catch block like I have used here. You can see catch block and in the top of the code you can see the try block. Okay, it is good to use try catch block to prevent app crashes. Now open the bottom bar view dot file, create an object of a helper function like this and call the read function using helper function object wherever you have created a button for nutrition label scanner. In our case I have called the read function like this. So that's it guys. Restart your app from here using this function and check its functionalities and its accuracy. If any problem occurs, please watch this video again. It will definitely help you guys. Thank you and happy learning.